Welcome and welcome back. Welcome to Seek to See Tarot. Welcome to my world again. My name is Shonda. I am your gracious host for this message. This is a message for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and the North Node. Please like, subscribe, and comment because I do indeed read all of your comments. If you'd like to book a personal, everything you need to know about me is in the description box of my little area here on YouTube. This message will not resonate with every Capricorn, and not all the messages in the message will resonate with every Capricorn. Flip and switch the roles on everything. Cross watchers. Oh yeah, you are absolutely welcome. And let's give God what's due and let's tap in. God, we love you, we honor you, and we worship you. And we want to say thank you for the messages that you're going to give us. Simply put, Spirit guides, thank you. Ancestral team, for the Capricorns and myself, thank you. Archangel Michael, Metatron and Gabriel, Spirit of Ogun and Oshun, thank you for protecting us as we go before the white light of truth and clarity to pull messages from the Oracle and the Tarot for myself, the Capricorn Collective, and the Cross Watcher alike. Thank you. We are tapping in at this time. Ashe, Ashe, yes, and Ashe. Thank you. Yes. First of all, foremost, I would like to apologize for yesterday's message. I was a little heated. I'm going to be honest with you. I was a little heated about my Capricorn family. I get a little bit passionate about you all because I know how it is when people do y'all dirty, because I've been done dirty on many occasions. And when I know it's being done energetically and spiritually and physically, but when I can see it on my end and I can feel it, because I am an empathic reader and I can feel it, it infuriates me at times, okay? So you have to please, I am human. Yes, I'm spiritual, but I'm human too. And I forgot. I still got a little hood in me, you know what I'm saying? I'm still a little hood, okay? I still got some... I still got some hood in the sister, okay? Hey, it's still there. It ain't went nowhere, okay? I still... Yeah, okay? So, please understand that I do get passionate about the caps, okay? Because I got love for y'all. So, forgive me, please forgive me. And please still have love for me, okay? All right, y'all. I love y'all. That's why I'm so passionate, okay? All right, Taurus is here. Taurus is here. Aquarius is in our energy. All right. Scorpio is here. All of air is here. Another Cap is in our energy. see. Let me put this over here. I'm trying not to make this too long. Yeah, I should have pushed my little camera back some, but oh well. But y'all done seen it already. Let me get some more spirit. Let me get some more. Who's in our energy, spirit? Who wants to move towards us? Who else, spirit? Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else, spirit? Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else is out there? Who else, spirit? Who else? Who else? Who else? You know, I'm feeling a lot of spell work too. Sag is out here. Here. Y'all know they out there. Another Cap. One of our own, baby. One of our own. Out there again. Moon. Uh-oh. Cha-ching. Yep. Berg. Yep. Olive air, baby. Olive air. Yeah, I'm sensing a lot of spell work, man. A lot of spell work, Cap. Y'all be aware of that. It's a lot of spell work out here. Somebody, look, bottom of the deck. Told you. It's a lot of spell work. Somebody doing some spell work heavy. And I've been sensing that since, well, I think it came out in yesterday's reading too. A bunch of spell work. Bunch of spell work. Something had flipped. Yep, some spell work is out on the Empress. Someone's doing some spell work on the Empress, and I felt that yesterday. Yeah. Aquarius, Earth, all of Earth is here. Aries is here. There's some spell work. It's some serious spell work, man. Serious spell work, y'all. They doing it. They definitely doing it. And they going to a practitioner. I feel like, you know, that's how I'm feeling, y'all. It's a practitioner. They going to a practitioner to do it. Yeah. And how I'm feeling that is going to go down is that they're gonna go get it done, right? And they're gonna wait for a while. They're gonna let it marinate between 2 to 10 days. They're gonna let it marinate. We got Sagittarius out here again, Aries double time. So they're gonna let it wait. They're gonna wait for a while. Aquarius double time out here. Air double time. Jim is out here. Scorpio is out here. All of Earth. We Earth heavy. I think it's the Earth sign that's doing it. I gotta be honest with you. Yeah. It's the Earth sign that's doing it to a Empress. And who's ever doing it, they have fire in their chart. And they have air in their chart as well. But it can be any sign. So don't leave nobody out. Leave nobody unscathed. Let's get a message. Let me get something, Spirit. Let me get a message, Spirit, please. Leave nobody unscathed. Yep. Leave nobody unscathed. Trust me. Ooh, hit me all in the head. Yeah. Ooh, somebody's finances is getting better. Ooh, yeah. And they gonna be looking good too. Yes, somebody gonna, oh, okay. Okay, Cap, somebody look like somebody's finances is gonna be looking good. And somebody gonna be having a good time. And this is probably where you're gonna meet somebody. Your finances is gonna be looking good. And you're gonna meet somebody. at a public event. It's probably going to be somewhere where it's going to be music. Yeah, it's going to be at a musical event. Yeah. This is when your finances are going to be a whole lot better. Okay? And you're going to meet someone. Yeah. That's what I'm picking up. Okay? Yeah. Interesting. Look at that. Look at that. Who is this person? I like to see it. Yeah. Who is it, Spirit? I love to see it. Okay. Because the Capricorn's finances are looking a lot better now. Yeah. Oh, it's coming. Yeah, look at that. 8 of Wands. It's coming in fast. Yeah, it could be a Sagittarius. Okay. Look at that. Okay, then. Give me more, Spirit. Who is this? Who is this? I didn't even get to tap these suckers. Sorry, y'all. But, hey, it was meant to come out. I can tell you that. It's a Sag, though. Oh, interesting. This person is reckless, though. Okay? Oh, no. Wait a second. No, it's going to be a new, this is going to be a new beginning, but it's going to be, but this is going to come when you least expect it. In a reverse. I'm not taking this in a bad way. It's gonna get you, it's gonna catch you off guard. Very off guard, okay? Very, very, it's gonna sneak up on you. Yeah. What I said, I told you. Yep. Lies, trickery, scheme, strike. It's gonna sneak up on you. Told you. It's gonna sneak up on you. You're not gonna even be expecting this at all. Aquarius energy. And this is Aquarius energy. Give me one more. You're not gonna even expect this. Wow. Give me one more. You're going to be like, where did this come from? Interesting. And this is going to be wish fulfillment. Look at this. Pisces energy. Look. Yeah. This is going to be like a wish come true type person for you. Yeah. Wow. Cap. It's going to come out of nowhere. Nowhere. I love to see it. I love to see every minute of this. Get ready, Cap. Get ready. Get ready, Cap. Get ready, Cap. This may be a musician. This person may have money. Or this person may be your money may be straight when you go out. This person is going to be very attracted to you, you to them. This is going to be at a public event, social event. But just know this is going to catch you way off guard. You're not going to see it coming. You're not going to expect it. I promise you. Get ready, Cap. Get ready, Cap. Get ready. I love it. Oh my God. I love it like that though. Get ready. Get ready. Give me some more, Spirit. Give me another message. Interesting. Give me another message, Spirit. Give me another message. Ghosted. All right, somebody you ghosted, or they ghosted you, they're going to have the courage to move towards you, okay? They want to hook up. Interesting. Give me some more. This is a snake. Give me some more, Spirit. You at a crossroads about this person. They want to come to your home. Give me more. They're going to unexpectedly text you. Yep. Yeah. I feel like this is somebody you dealt with before. Yeah. Give me more, Spirit. Give me one more. This person wore a mask. They were a liar. And they still are. And last but not least, yeah, they live at a distance. And you've had to put up boundaries with this person. Yeah. They've lied to you. They've definitely lied to you before. All right. Oh, they've definitely lied before. Who is this person, Spirit? Who is this energy? They're watching you. Page of Swords, they're watching. Give me more, Spirit. Ooh. Yep, they coming with a cup. Pisces energy. They see you looking good, feeling good, smelling good, and doing good. This could be a Virgo. Give me more, Spirit. Who is this? Who is this, Spirit? Yeah. This may be a Sagittarius. This is somebody you've dealt with before. Yeah. Temperance here. Somebody you've definitely dealt with before, for sure. Yep, Wheel of Fortune, they coming back around. Somebody you've dealt with before. Yep. Give me 2 more, Spirit. Jupiter energy. Yep, that's Sagittarius. Yep. Yep, because I'm getting fire. King of Wands. Lovers is here, Gemini energy. Yep. And last but not least, Page of Cups. And with this Page of Cups, I think this is a person that had your head in the clouds. But they're coming in as a page. I don't think you're going to get much out of them. And because you're at a crossroads with them, and they're a snake, they just want to hook up. I think this person has more going on than what you think they got going on. And the thing is that with snake and mask here, they still got a lot that they ain't told you that they got going on. And me personally, I think this person may be married. I'm going to throw it out there. They got a significant other. They got a lot of stuff going on. And you just haven't talked to them in a while. You know what I'm saying? But whatever they had going on back then, they still got it going on now. I'm going to tell you that right now. Don't go for the okie doke. Talk to them, you know, be cool and cordial or whatever, and keep that pushing. Now, whoever this is, they just want to just be up in your sheets, Cap, and just get them some poom poom and some way way. Now, if you cool with that, hey, be cool with that. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with that. Hey, we all grown. You do what you want to do. Especially if you ain't had no relations in a long time. Hey, I ain't mad at you. Do what you do. Get in where you fit in. Go ahead on and, you know, get your back blowed out. You know, go ahead on and, you know, jump on it for a quick minute. And then go ahead and, you know, cut them loose. But don't be trying to make no plans with them because they ain't. This ain't that. This ain't that. Let's keep it pushing. Nope. Give me one more, Spirit. Give me one more. Intuition is here. Truth. Give me more, Spirit. Anxiety. Give me some more, Spirit, please. Oh, ex-lover. Give me some more, Spirit, please. change. Give me some more spirit, please. And mystery. Mystery. And breakup. All right, what I'm seeing here is Spirit is saying use your intuition, because someone's going to come towards you with a confession and some clarity, and to, I guess, reveal a secret to you. They're really stressed out about doing that, okay? It stresses them out. This is an ex-lover. And they probably wouldn't come towards you to let you know that they have changed. That could be a part of the truth. Okay. This person, they probably want to tell you about some lies. Okay. And with ex-lover here, this is somebody you broke up with. You had to walk away from them. Okay. I want to get one more. Give me one more, Spirit. Give me one more. Give me one more, please. Yeah, you at crossroads about this person. Kind of figured that. That's why I wanted to pull one more. You're at crossroads about this person. Yeah. And I think you're at a crossroads about this person for some of you all. Because you don't know if they've really changed. Who is this energy, please, Spirit? Tell me. Who is this energy? Who is this energy? You don't know if they really changed or not. Just don't know. And you know, what lies have they told? You know they told some lies. You know they told something. You know, they done did something. They done told some lies now. They done did that. Who is this, Spirit? Who is this energy? Tell us, please. Ah, Virgo, the Hermit. Okay. Did somebody close out a cycle with? Capricorn energy, that's our energy. Yeah, you were really nurturing to this person. Queen of Cups, Cancer energy. Yep. This is a person, like I said before, with anxiety here. Yeah, they're in the Nine of Swords at this time. They're definitely in the Nine of Swords at this time. Yeah. Fear, anxiety, negativity, breaking point. Yeah. Why are they that way? Because they're getting karma with justice here. Yeah. Why? Because they cause so many arguments within the relationship. Aquarius energy. They cause a lot of problems within y'all relationship. And I think the reason why you're at a crossroads with them, because they cause so many problems within a relationship, man. All that arguing and fussing and fighting. And they had this mentality of, it was like, what's that mentality? They had like a double standard of, you know, like, do as I say and not as I do. Or, you know, it also, like, they have been hurt so much to where they felt like you were going to hurt them too, or like that do as I say and not as I do. So like, for example, how can I explain it? So like, they would keep you, you know, like if they can tell you that the reason why they didn't answer their phone is because they're busy, right? But you can't be busy. You can't be on your phone. You know, you can't be busy. So if you're busy and you don't answer your phone, it's a problem. But if they're busy and can't answer their phone, then you can't, it's like you can't hold the same standard. And it's like, that doesn't make any sense. You know, this person has to change, because what this person doesn't understand is that I mean, this person probably has issues. I think, you know, whether man or woman, they probably have an issue with the opposite sex. They probably have been hurt by the opposite sex. Okay? That's what I'm picking up. Or they have been taught that they are superior to the opposite sex. Is what I'm picking up. And so they have to change that, because they're never going to be in a healthy, fulfilling relationship if they always have that mentality that someone's trying to hurt them, or someone's trying to get over on them, or that they are superior to the opposite sex, or that they are superior in general. I know it's some people out there that feels as though that they are just superior in general. You know, I've dated somebody like that who thought that they were superior to me, and I was just like, oh, who, what, when, where, how? I have so many questions. I'm going to have to go ahead on and kick you down a couple notches, my man. Because we ain't going to have that. And really, it's a problem within themselves. So that's what I'm seeing here. This person has issues within themselves. And so you're at a crossroads, should you even really bother with this person? And a lot of that too is that this person, that's why they're in a hermit mode, and this may be a Virgo, is that they may need to go within themselves, do self-reflection and introspection to change. Because I'm going to tell you right now, whoever this is, cross watcher, you're never going to be in a healthy relationship unless you're honest with yourself and you change. Because the way you are right now, baby, you're going to get shot down a lot. And I'm just being honest with you. Because nobody's going to put up with that. Nobody. Unless it's somebody who's just that downtrodden, who's got low self-esteem and low self-worth, and they just gonna let you talk to them crazy and do them any kind of way. Yeah, they may let you do it, but anybody who knows themselves, and you know, they ain't gonna let you do it. I'm gonna tell you right now. A person like myself, Child, please. You may get cussed out on a daily. Child. And then it gets to the point where, you know, I'll go ahead and cut you loose. Cause my spirit won't allow me to cuss you out on a daily. I just go ahead and cut you loose. Cause then I start getting low vibrational. And at that point, because of the work that I do, I can't be in a low vibrational state too long like that. Yeah. Somebody's haunted right now. I can't be in a low vibrational state like that too long because I have to be able to be in a level-headed mind in order to help people. So I can't. So I try to go ahead and cut the person loose. Go ahead and let them best be on their way. Go ahead and best be on your way, partner. If you feel like you better than me, go ahead, player. Go ahead and best be on your way. Yeah. Yeah. Somebody in your energy feels haunted now. And they're creeping around watching. They're creeping. They're haunted by your absence and they're creeping. Okay? And they feel neglected. With child services, they feel neglected. And this person is hating on your spiritual gifts. They're a spiritual hater. Okay? They hate on your they just don't like that you have spiritual powers. And probably because you know why? Ooh, child. Why? Just why? They cry. You know why? Because their spiritual hater. Why? Because you dime them out every time. You see who they are. You look, hey, every single time you call them on their foolishness and mess. Okay? Yeah. That's why. And that's why they don't like. That's why they're spiritual hater. They crying over you at this time. Why? Because you are unbothered. You ain't giving them no thoughts. You dodged the whole entire bullet, okay? And you're out here winning, and they see that you're winning. Ooh, Lord, this person they got a lot of time on their hands, don't they? Ooh, Lord. Who is this energy? Who is this Mickey Slick right here? Caps. That's why I told y'all yesterday, don't sleep on yourself. Because whoever this is, they love you. They love your dirty drawers, dirty crusty drawers. I tell you, if you left some drawers at their house, they smelling them. They probably got to pull up over their head right now. In their face. I ain't lying. They probably do. I ain't lying. They probably do. Hey, I can't even make this stuff up. You probably left a pair of dirty drawers at their house. Cause you forgot them over there because you didn't do laundry. And they probably got them suckers right there in the bed with them, and they probably smell them every night. Let me quit being messy. proposal, connection. I told you. They love you. They got they got your drawers right there on the nightstand. Cap, I could probably leave this right. I could leave this one card. Will sum this up right here. Bam, I'm through. They love you. I ain't lying. I ain't lying. Give me some more, spirit. Yeah. Look. Two of Wands in reverse. They scared. Playing it safe. Fear of unknown. Personal go fear of change. Look, they don't want change. They don't want change. That's what it is. Aries energy. I ain't lying. They don't want change. But I can tell you one, you might be seeing 222. But I'll tell you one thing, they gonna come forward at some point. They is. Yeah. Yeah. Didn't I say somebody was doing some spell work? Didn't I say somebody, Virgo, Gemini energy? Didn't I say somebody was doing spell work? I cannot make it up, magician. I told you. Told you. I told y'all somebody doing spell work. Told you. Somebody, man, this is a narcissist. And they doing spell work. I told y'all I cannot make it up, Mercury energy. And this is a whole entire narcissist. Virgo, Gemini. Look, y'all gonna quit playing with me today? Look. Told y'all they doing, whoever this person is, they doing heavy spell work. And I would go as far as to say that whoever this person, they crying over you at this time. And I would go as far as to say that they are obsessed with you. They're going to a practitioner to get spell work done. I can't make it up. Yep. Give me some more, spirit. I'm going to take this one. What I said. Didn't I say they're going to a practitioner? Didn't I say they were going to a practitioner to get it done? High priestess. Told you. I can't make it up. That's what they doing. This person is obsessed with you, Cap. Look. Look. Y'all gonna take heed to this today. Give me one more, spirit. Give me one more. Yes. They juggling. They juggling at this time. Yep, Capricorn energy. They juggling because they know that they want you so bad. They juggling you and other stuff, other priorities, because they don't know what the hell to do. Lack of commitment, Page of Pentacles. I'm telling you, look, they trying to learn from what they did before, okay? And the lack of commitment because they didn't do you right the first time. Page of Pentacles, look. And then the Three of Swords in reverse. Negative self-talk. They want forgiveness. And they want to move on from the heartbreak. Look. I'm trying to tell you now. Look. Libra energy. This is an earth sign. This is another earth sign. Give me one more and I'm closing out. This is heavy spell work. They're going to a practitioner to get this done. And the reason why, let me tell you something. Some of y'all have a high level intuition or you pull cards yourself. Look, they doing it. Look, they doing it right now. Look. Eight of Wands. Manifesting quickly. Rapid action, movement, air travel, swift change, quick decision. They doing this right now. They doing this right now. Right now, they doing it. And spiritual hater here hates on your spirituality, like magic, power. Let me tell you something. Whoever this person is, they know you have a high level of intuition. They know that you pull cards. They know that you get readings. Or they know that you look at tarot. So they know that the only thing they can do at this point is to do spell work. Because they know that you ain't one of these tackheads out in the street. They know that you're not the ordinary type person. So they got to go and do something extraordinary. They got to. They don't have a choice. But what they don't understand with this person with haunted here, that's why they got to go and do spell work, because you're not the ordinary type of person. And that's why they got to go do it fast. Because you're not the ordinary type of person, Cap. They ain't never ran into nobody like you. So they got to go and do extraordinary measures. You see what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? They got to go through extraordinary measures to deal with you. And what they doing is that after they do it, they're going to take about 2 to 10 days to see if it worked. That's why they creeping. See what I'm saying? But what this person don't understand is this. A person who is spiritual, who has spirituality, light, magic, and power, who's a light worker, who already know the game. I don't care how much manifestations you do. I don't care how much I don't care how much, what is that? All of that black magic and all of that stuff you do. You going to a practitioner and doing all that spell work. I don't care how much of that stuff you do. If that person is already tapped in and already protected, it's not going to work. Cross watcher, listen to me very carefully. If you're doing spell work, this is for everybody. Let me go ahead and key you into this. Let me go ahead, because you're wasting your money. If a person is already tapped in, they have a high level of intuition, they already know about spell work, and they already protected, I don't care how much spell work you do, it's not going to work. It's not. You're just throwing your money in barren ground. That's what you're doing. You might as well just go ahead and shoot yourself in the foot. Because why? Because what you're doing is you're making that spell work turn around and bounce back on yourself is what you're doing. The practitioner is not telling you that. Because why? The person is already protected. They already know what's coming. Because think about it. If a person does spell work on me and I get up in the morning and I pray over myself and I come in here and I pull cards, if I see that the spell work is coming towards me, what you think I'm finna do? If I already know it's coming. So the person who's doing the spell work, which is the Virgo Gemini, and I know I'm involved with a Virgo or a Gemini, I already know who it's coming from. So what they just did was what? Wasted their money. The practitioner just made $100, $200, $300 off of a person so the spell work is not going to work. Because I already know that it's coming. This is what people don't, and then what's going to happen is that spell work is going to turn around and bounce back onto that person or to their loved ones is what it's going to do. That practitioner does not tell you that. That's why I tell people don't even bother with spell work. You look better just going to the Most High and praying about the situation, letting the Most High work it out for you, and then trying to be practical about the situation. If you know you're wrong, get it right. But don't try and do spell work. It don't make no sense. But people do it all the time. Why? Because they think they're smart, and they're not. Because spell work does nothing but make the situation worse. Especially if a person is already tapped in. It's ridiculous to me. I don't get it. It's ridiculous to me. They think they're smarter than the person that they're doing the spell work on. Now, if a person's not tapped in and they don't know what's going on, that's a different situation. But if you're doing a spell work on a person who's tapped in and they have a high level of intuition and they pull cards and you're doing it for nothing. You've wasted your dollars. Anywho, if you'd like to book a personal, everything you need to know about me is in the description area of my little spot here. I love you all. Gratitude, Ashe. Namaste.